Okay, so I am here with my hair. My hair is currently like a, here, let me show you guys. It's currently like a it's like a brown, like a golden brown, but then at the tips it's like blonde, right? Yeah, about that. I want to change that. I mean, I love this color actually. It's very gorgeous. Yeah, it's like a golden brown. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but like, it's like a golden brown. I love it. I just want to go a tad bit lighter. I want to go honey blonde. Like, I like honey blonde. Like, I love that color. I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be using. The Texture and Tones, it was only $5.99. This is the lightest blonde, but I'm going to mix Honey Blonde 6G and 7G, the lightest blonde, by Textures and Tones, Clairol. Okay, so the box comes with gloves. This is, I brought this. Well, I've had this. Comes with a color activating cream. Oh, it comes with, you know what, moisture rich hair color. This is the hair color. And it comes with a intensive moisturizing conditioner for relaxed and natural hair for women of color. So this is all I have right here, just this. I'm gonna mix these two. Like I said, they were $5.99 each. I'm gonna mix it in this bowl. Hopefully this is all, no, not even hopefully, I think this is gonna go very well, because this is gonna be a simple video. It's not a tutorial. I'm just showing how I color my hair at home from this color. This is the bleach. My hair grew out. I'll insert a picture. That was my hair in 2016. That was when it was at its biggest, its longest, its most colorful. Makeup by who, Paige?
Me.
Makeup by Paige.
I'm not breaking your hair out.
Y'all, I just took off the thing. My hair is light. Light. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, it's light. Trust me, it's light. Okay, we're gonna go shampoo this and condition it, okay? It's like now I'm just deep conditioning my hair, because like after you color your hair, like your hair, it can be very dry. My hair wasn't really that dry, but I knew that I had to restore the color. I mean, not the color, but the moisture. So I will show you guys how it looks when it's all done and finished. Okay, so here's the finished product of my hair. I didn't show it. Let me show you guys. That's the end result. Bye. Yeah.